Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
So guys, it's finally happened to the traveling type. Our worst fears. We're being kicked off the ship. So we have a few minutes to gather our stuff and get off. Something called debarkation.
Imagine that.
Exactly. So we're getting off here in Barcelona. I'm gonna spend a few days here in Barcelona and also go to Madrid. So we'll bring you guys along. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Alright guys, so we're here now in Barcelona. We're debarking off the ship. And we'll bring you along and show you everything that we see.
No me thought they would show us like the rain, like this over. Yeah, just like a blind. These ones were out there.
We're currently at the mall. We are at the the highest level of the mall. And up here on the top level, there are some bars and restaurants where you could just hang out and have some food and enjoy the views.
That's our hotel right there that we're staying in.
Yes. So right next door to the mall, we're right down the street from one of the castles here. Our restaurant does have a Mediterranean restaurant inside of it, I think the lady said. But here is another Mediterranean restaurant that James is pointing at right now. So if you like Mediterranean food, you might be okay here in Barcelona. I have also noticed a lot of tapas spots as well. So nice views for sure. Now, today is Sunday. It is very quiet. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, and you would think it was 6 o'clock. It is so quiet here. Not a whole lot of people out and about. It's not the same hustle and bustle that we're used to in the US for sure. So we've taken a taxi from our hotel downtown to the older section of Barcelona. are several of these circles formed, and they're all doing this dance. You put your stuff in the middle so it doesn't get snatched, and then you join the circle.
ਪੰਜ ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਛਾਣਨਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਗਰਮ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਥੋੜਾ ਤੜਕਾ ਲਾ ਲਿਆ ਥੋੜਾ
The bottom of here with the dagger in it, they believe that it's a real skull.
Wow, look at the skull, guys.
See the dagger? They believe that that is a real. This was a government office building with flags.
Explain to the audience what we're looking at, Mom.
This is one of the worst episodes that ever happened, 1938, during the Spanish War, where the Italian legionaries came here and attacked Barcelona's main area. So they lined up women, children, and such, and they just fired at them and killed them and slaughtered them here. It was like 40 something women, children. So it's kind of a melancholy square. People come sometimes, lay flowers, do tea tragedies. And this is the famous last tunnel.
So this area is where a lot of the pickpocketing takes place. So if you're ever in this area, keep your head on a swivel.
And this area is Las Ramblas, so it's a famous street, again, very popular. When you see it, you know you're in Barcelona.
He was on a cruise with
Muchas gracias. Bravo. Aplausos para el
Okay, y'all. We are in KFC. Sorry for the lighting. This KFC is different. They have burgers and chicken. They have fries where you can add, excuse me, you can add cheese and bacon. They have sundaes here as well. So a bit different than what I'm used to back in the States.